Yo, what's up, guys? History is watching, and let's be real, every single time the world tried to write off this lion, thinking it was too old, too tired, too irrelevant, boom. It let out a roar so loud it woke up the entire smartphone industry from its nap. People said, Nokia's time is over, it's just nostalgia now. But hold up, do you really think this brand is gonna tap out that easily? Heck no, because the storm wasn't over, it was just reloading for the biggest comeback the tech world has ever seen. And we ain't talking about some basic, run-of-the-mill phone today. Nope, we're talking about the smartphone beast that's about to shatter the egos of every big-shot player in the market. Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for the Nokia Infinity Max 5G. We're talking a phone with a 9500 mAh battery, a camera that makes DSLRs look like toys, and performance so insane it'd make a supercomputer blush. So buckle up, tighten your seatbelt, because this review is about to blow your mind. Let's dive into the chaos. Design and display. The second you lay eyes on this bad boy, it screams, I'm not your average slab. The back panel rocks a premium carbon fiber finish that gives it this athletic, muscular vibe, like a racing car ready to hit the track. And those gold borders on the edges, that ain't just decoration, my friend, that's a flex of pure luxury. Flip it over, and you're greeted by that massive circular camera module with Zeiss optics. For real, it looks like a warrior holding up his shield, ready for battle. Now, let's talk about the display, because this thing is straight up chef's kiss for your eyes. We're looking at a massive 6.9-inch 2K Plus Super AMOLED panel with a buttery smooth 144Hz refresh rate. Swiping through this screen feels like gliding a hot knife through butter, it's that satisfying. Going outside in blazing sunlight? No worries, because with 4500 nits of peak brightness, your screen stays crystal clear even under the scorching afternoon sun. Plus, HDR10 Plus support means when you're watching an action flick, every explosion feels like it's happening right in your living room. And with Gorilla Glass Armor 2 protection, you can toss it in your pocket with keys or coins without breaking a sweat. This screen is built like a tank. Camera setup. Alright, let's get to the part that caused a literal earthquake in the tech world, this quad camera setup. We're kicking off with a 300 megapixel primary sensor. Yeah, you read that right, 300. That's so much resolution, you can zoom in until your thumb gets tired, and the photo still won't pixelate. Then we've got a 64 megapixel ultra-wide lens to fit your whole squad in one epic frame. A 12 megapixel telephoto for those crisp zoom shots, and an 8 megapixel depth sensor for that creamy bokeh effect. Every shot is perfection, every detail is crystal clear. And for the selfie kings and queens out there, you're getting a 50 megapixel front camera. Yes, you read that right. Nokia's pixel binning tech, paired with a massive 1-inch sensor, literally turns night into day. If you snap a photo under moonlight, it'll look like high noon. And the AI stabilization is so next level that even if you're sprinting while recording, it'll look like you're using a pro-grade gimbal. So, creators, do you think this beast can actually take on a DSLR? Drop your take in the comments below. Performance. Now, let's talk about the heart of this hurricane. This phone runs on the world's newest and most powerful processor, the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 6, built on a cutting-edge 2nm architecture. In plain English, you could have 50 apps open at once, edit 4K videos, play hardcore games on max graphics, and this phone has forgotten what lag even means. Nokia packed it with 16 GB of RAM and a massive 1 TB of storage, so for the next 5 years, you're never gonna see that annoying storage full notification. And after hours of intense gaming, zero overheating, thanks to its next-level cooling system that keeps things chill. On the software side, Nokia nailed it again, zero bloatware, zero annoying ads. You get a pure, butter-smooth stock Android 17 experience. No stutter, no jitter, everything happens the instant you tap. Pure speed, battery life. Here it is, folks, the ultimate weapon of this phone. Today's flagship phones brag about 5000 mAh batteries, but by sunset, you're running around looking for a charger. Nokia just flipped the entire script. This phone packs a 9500 mAh monster battery. Charge it once, and you're good for the next 2 to 3 days without even thinking about a plug. And when you finally do need to juice up, the box comes with a 100-watt super fast charger that'll top it up in less time than it takes to brew a cup of coffee. Not done yet, There's also 50W reverse wireless charging. So if your buddy's iPhone dies midday, you can just place it on the back of your Nokia and literally give it life support. Talk about being a hero. Price and launch date. Now you're probably thinking, alright, with all these insane specs, this thing is gonna cost a kidney. Well, hold on to your wallet, because reports suggest Nokia is planning to launch this destruction machine at somewhere between $750 and $850, that's incredible value for what you're getting. And according to leaks, it's set to drop sometime around November-December 2026, and trust me, it's gonna make a massive splash. The features are mind-blowing, but the build quality, that classic Nokia tank-level durability is back, built tough, built to last. So, what do you say, team? Are you ready to skip the iPhone and Samsung this year and bet on this Nokia beast? Which feature got you hyped the most, the camera, the battery, the raw performance, or that killer design? Explode the comments below with your take. Let's get this conversation rolling.